Hey guys, welcome to J&J Bowling. Tonight we got Jason Snead. He's gonna do a practice game for us. Maybe we can get an interview with him later on. Looks like he's using the Omni Tour sets here. Ball looks good, looks good, looks good. There we go, that's it. There you go, it's a good start. It's a good start by Snead. Oh, he almost tripped, guys. He almost fell and busted his ass. He's okay. He's giving the thumbs up to the crowd. As he sets up. All right, that one looks pretty good too. Is he gonna have enough? He just didn't put no hand to it. I'm not sure what he's doing, what he's looking at, but he's gonna have to be better at this. Just needs to put a little bit more hand into it. I mean, he did it on the first shot. Maybe he got a little bit too much oil, I don't know, but let's see if he can convert this. Oh, wow, you can't have that. That's the type of match, guys. You just can't have this. All right, he's pouting a little bit, so hopefully he can get his senses together here. And see if he can throw another strike here. He had a good ball in the first frame. See if he can fix his mistakes here. All right. All right. That one looks a little bit better. It does. No, we got the same shot, guys. He's just not putting enough hand in his shot. I'm not sure what he's doing, what he's looking at here. Is he going to change balls? He's using this Omni. Is he going to go to one of his storm bowling balls? I don't know. All right, here we go. Will you make this or chop it? Looks like he's stuck a little bit. Okay, nice conversion. Nice conversion. All right, let's see if he'll can adjust off this shot here. The last two have been just too light. I don't know if he's putting hand in. I don't know if he's getting it too much out in the oil. What's going on? So, all right. So you got over the 5 arrow there. Is he gonna have it? He's just not getting it. I don't know if he's just tired. Doing delivery packages from Amazon or what he's doing, but I think he just overshot that, guys. Is it gonna hold? No, it's not gonna hold. This is awful, guys. He's really gonna have to do something here. I've just never seen this kind of display in bowling in my lifetime. All right, is it gonna go? Is it gonna go? No, it's just not. But is he gonna try to fix something here, or what's going on? He's gonna have to do something here, guys. Oh no, he's just falling apart here. Hopefully he can just change bowling balls here. I'm not sure if he just did or not. All right, looks like I believe he, don't know if he used the Omni and used the Storm Ball. What is he doing? They do two different things. Like, you just can't do that. All right, is this one gonna go? All right, yeah, he left. It looked pretty good there, but he did leave a 10 pin, a solid 10 pin. Let's see if he can pick up the simple conversion here. Let's see if he can make the 10 pin, guys. Let's see. Is it gonna hold? Is it gonna hold? Oh no, it just falls off the lane. Wow. I was told by producers we might change the channel and give you something else to watch, but we're gonna stay here though. All right, is that good? Oh, we left another 10 pin. What in the hell is going on here? I've never seen so many 10 pins in my life. Well, that James Johnson guy over there on J&J Bowling, he leaves a lot of 7s and he misses them. Can Jason step up and make this 10 pin? Can he make, is it gonna hold? Oh, he finally converted one. Oh, wow. Can he actually put something together? Let's see. Got a chance. No, it's just light again. This guy keeps making the same damn shots. Is he gonna move? What's he gonna do? He keeps throwing at the same exact spot. Not even hitting the pocket. They just don't have enough. Wow, guys, I don't even know what to say. I don't even know what to say. I mean, he's a crowd favorite here, but he's just not producing like he normally does. I'm not sure what's going on here. It's getting a little wild and crazy. Oh, well, at least he hit the head pin, fellas. He got the head pin, but still just too light. Let's see if he can convert this. I mean, is he even going to shoot 100? I mean, we've seen this on the PVA before. Is he even going to shoot 100, guys? All right. Finally got a spare. We're going to try to get an interview with Mr. Snead after this match here, after this game. Let's see what he's looking. Oh, now he just overthrows it. I don't know. He's just sloppy. It's all. I don't know. Guys, put a fork in him. He's done. He's cooked. It's time to wrap this up. We'll see if we can get an interview with him, though. Oh, that figures he chopped that. So let's see if we can get an interview with him, guys. I'm not sure if he's going to give us an interview or not. So, Snead, I noticed that you had a rough game there. Could you tell us about it, please?
Yeah. So.
Hey, come out here to the camera, you know,
yeah,
please.
Yeah, basically, like
face the camera, you know what I mean?
My first frame was okay, and then I just couldn't find my mark for whatever reason, and it just kept going. I was putting too much into it instead of just kind of going slow. So I tried to make adjustments a little bit to the left, and that helped slightly, but sometimes my release was more than what it should have been, and it caused it to hook too much or not enough. So that's why you see what I got there. So I let myself down, but it's one of those things that just happens. So
okay. What balls were you using? I noticed that you had the Omni out there. You had the Storm. What's that? The Phase 2. It looks like there.
Yeah, the Omni is my go-to ball that I always go with first.
Yeah.
Only because of the fact that it feels good in the hand.
Yeah.
And then when I do have a good release, it definitely does what I need it to do. It gets me the pin action that I'm looking for. Next, I do have the phase 2, which I like. I usually use that for the 7th pin, but sometimes in certain situations, I use that ball myself. And of course, I have the Ebonite Maxim, which is my main spare ball. It helps me get most of the 10 pins, but a lot of times it definitely helps me get those side pins. So I definitely use those 3 as my main balls for when I go out to do bowling.
Yeah, like you said, you were a crowd favorite here tonight. It just didn't pan out. So, but we'll see you in the next one down the road.
Yeah, absolutely. There's gonna be many more from me, guys. I promise you. You won't see me bowling like that again or anytime soon. So I just got to continue to go out there, do my thing, do the best that I can, and hopefully I can get some wins.
All right. Well, good luck, sir. And like you said, back to you guys. Like you said, Jason Snead, we just had an interview with him, and just had a.
I'm his biggest fan, y'all. I'm his biggest fan.